Hey, hello, welcome back. Hands on with BLG. I am BLG. I am righty. I am lefty. We're going to try something. I've done it many times before. If you have fish tanks, aquariums that have been sitting at idle for, a little over a year, about a year, you end up with filters that look like this, right? Brand new at Walmart, this particular filter is about $40. Let's see if we can fix this thing, rehydrate it, and get it functioning, if you will, okay? The first thing you do is tear this bitch down. Oh God, that is nasty. Here's your pickup, right here. You can see all the snot and slime that's been built up on it, but wants to turn. Okay, let's see what we got there. Main thing, get this motor off of here. This is your main power source, right? Chop, the motor. This needs to be able to turn. Okay, let's tear this on down. You got your secondary filter. Looks okay, could clean it up. Primary filters are replaceable, but look at that. Could clean it up. That's not even nasty. And you got your basic plastic tub. That's cleanable. So what I gotta do, you get all this crap all over your place, all over your workbench. Okay, so what I gotta do is I gotta try to get this motor running. I'm gonna clean this up, okay? Like this, mostly. Take this off. Get all this crap out of here. I'm gonna clean this up, right here. And I'm gonna shove it back in the motor. And that should start running this pump. We'll see what happens. I'll be right back. Okay? I'm gonna rinse this in the sink. Alright. And we're back. Rinsed it off. Just regular cold water in the sink. I ran some water up through here. It came out here. Let's see what happens if I plug this back up in here somewhere, right? If I plug this in, what happens? It's running. Hear it? You can hear it. Fucking thing's running. So, what I've got on my hands is there's nothing wrong with this damn machine. I'm going to wipe this out with a paper towel. Right here. I have done, me and LEG the mama have done fish tanks for probably 20 fucking years. And I have done worse filters than this. Way worse, that have been sitting for like 10 years. Let's rinse this off like this. There's the dingo wanting his supper. Let's just clean it up here a little bit, right? Get a little water off the bench. Just dust it off. Get her going here. Like this. Right? Now everything else looks like it's been destroyed. As you can see, this is clean as a whistle. And you can hear it run. Put this in, let it match up, angle it the way you need it, but plug it in. There's your main thing. Hear it? It's running. So this is good. This is very, very good. That's the main part. This is all cosmetic. Shall we clean it? Let's go in here. We'll take this in here to our secondary sink. Well, my secondary sink. And we're going to scrub the shit out of this thing. Yep, let's close that. Turn on some water. Just regular water, okay? You don't want any oils or anything like that that's going to harm fish. Because this is, a fish filter. Let's clean it up here. I wish I had a clean brush, but this is fine. Scrub her down, just like this here. scrub this bitch. Get it clean. That's what we're going to do. Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean. Do the best you can. Righty can't open flat. Lefty kind of can. We're going to rinse this out real good. Need some water up in here. I probably should have used a slop sink, but you usually don't have a slop sink in your house. But I'd use a slop sink. Let's clean it up. See what we get. You know. Does that look better? I think so. I'm going to take a look. Yeah, there's a little bit of moss and stuff up on the sides. What the hell can you do? Well, you know what? I know what I can do. I'm going to let that go down the drain. Look at that crap came out of there. We'll let that go down the drain. I'll clean that up in a little bit. Let's come over here. Right? And there's the slop sink I was telling you about in my bathroom. I'm going to turn this on. We're going to take the sprayer and we're going to spray this bitch out. Nice, and spray it out. Right? Like this. And there's a bunch of crap falling in the bottom of the sink right now. We're going to spray this out. Spray it up to the bottom down here when it comes in. Spray the outside. I'm going to just clean the hell out of this thing. It still looks fairly new. As you can see, there's a whole lot of crap came out of that too. See? The little bug thingies? Those aren't bugs. Came out of here. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's still kind of nasty in there. You know what you can do? I'm going to take this towel and I'm going to shove it right up your ass. No, I'm going to take this towel and I'm going to shove it in here because I don't have a brush. A little like a bottle brush would work very well. I used to have old toothbrushes and shit. Would work well, but let's pack this in here. And I'm going to scrub it around, right? Actually, a little bit of this moss or algae doesn't hurt. It helps to jump start a new tank. It's green. As long as it's green, it's okay. The main thing is to get this thing pumping, right? Just like that. Then with another chunk. See that? See that other chunk? Right here. Another chunk. Right there. Another chunk. So that looks pretty good. That should work. Alright then. Cool. Back out here. This filter was new. Just replaced. I'm going to rinse it. I'm going to rinse and scrub this easily enough. You just scrub it down. Well, you know, you get it. I'll be right back. Okay, now comes the fun. We have this part, right? And we have this that we know that runs. So what we're going to do is fit our motor back in the bottom right here. We're going to fit our motor back in the bottom. That should be okay. I don't think it locks. It's got the O-ring. You know what I mean? We're going to set our motor like that. We're going to take our inlet with the propeller that goes into the motor, shove that in here in the motor. Right? Just like this. So now we have the impeller, the motor, the impeller, the driver, all in our fish filter, right? Okay, this has been sitting for over a year. Let's see what we can do. I'll be right back. You prime it up, you plug it in, you prime her up, just like this. You set your filter down, your pickup tube in the water, like this, and it will prime up. I mean, you set your pickup tube in the water, like that. You wait for it a little bit. I might need to prime it a little more, but it should self-prime. It is building, it's getting heavier, and Roddy will drop this, but look, here we go. There you go. Working perfectly. Filtered, secondary, and done. And there you go. Sitting for over a year. Just over a year. Not doing anything. This is the filter that ran my goldfish tank. 29 gallon. Yeah, just a good cleaning and getting all the crap off of it and some water. You don't even need lube or anything. Look at all this crap I blew out of this thing when it fired up and ran in the water. See that? Done. This filter saved us almost 40 fucking dollars by me cleaning it. I told the mama to bring it home and I'll get into it. That is thunder from hell. That's thunder. But anyway, yeah. Clean the filter first. Then buy a $40 filter. No. I've cleaned filters that have been sitting idle and just covered with calcium for 10 years. And just cleaned them. Got them to fire up. These little motors are bad man pajamas, man. So anyway, hope you liked the episode. Don't buy new filters. These kind, you know, anything like that. Bigger, doubles, it doesn't matter. They're all basically the same. Clean them and see if they work first. Then spend the money. So, till the next episode, folks, thank you for sticking around for BLG and watching. Like and subscribe. For Hands On with BLG, I'm BLG. I am righty. I'm all wet. I'm slathering fucking water everywhere. Slathering water. I am Lefty. I'm kind of dry. Not bad. Till the next time, folks. Y'all know what to do. That's right. Listen to thunder. Peace out, people. Just peace out. Goodbye. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around.